Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you a couple of Command key shortcuts on Magic Keyboard iPad Pro M5. So here is the Command key, and when we hold it we can use the shortcuts. So for example, Command and C will copy our text, so go into a Safari. Then type something and first select it. Now Command and C to copy and Command and V to paste. Command and A will select our whole text, So once again, Command and A will select the text. Command and S will save. Whatever we're doing, if we're writing a document, it will save the document. Once again into a Safari, I don't know why I closed it. When we click Command and F, we can find something. So for example, search for Mac, and it will find every article that has a Mac in it. Command and Tab is to switch between the tabs. Command and Escape to force quit, but I don't have anything to force quit from right now. Command and H will take us to a home screen. Command and Z will undo. So for example, when I type something, then Command and A to select and delete, Command and Z will undo the delete part. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.